How to get a refund Amazon. To get a refund or get an Amazon refund, you could follow these steps. Before that, you want to make sure that your application is completely up to date and that you're connected to a stable internet. First thing first, tap on the menu bar at the bottom, click on account from the list, and click on your order. So find the specific order for which you want to refund. And then what you want to do is click on problem with order or return or replace item next to it. If prompted, select the checkbox for an item that you want to return. Choose a problem from the drop down menu, example item defected or not working. Then request the refund such as request refund and add a comment and submit. Enter any additional comment in the text box, provide and click on submit. Now, Amazon will provide instructions on how to return the item, which may involve printing a shipping label to mail it back or dropping it off at an Amazon return center. Ensure you only include items from that specific return in the box to ensure that the correct refund is processed. Once Amazon receives and verifies the items, the refund will be processed to your original payment method or Amazon balance depending on the options you selected. So this way you should be able to get a refund. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.